Hey everyone, do you get prickles on skin? Do you feel a lot of heat coming out of your body? Then let's see how we can sort this with this recipe. We are going to cook split moong and masoor dal curry with less spices. We know it's scorching hot outside, so we must make some changes in our cooking to beat the heat. Now let's get started. So first, we have taken an onion and three of my spicy ladies, green chilies. Let's chop them in chopper. Now take a small bowl of split moong dal and the same bowl of split masoor dal. Wash them and add them to a cooker with a half-liter water. Now add 2 washed tomatoes, pink salt and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Let it get 3 to 4 whistles. Now our dal is cooked. Mash the tomatoes and dal with a potato masher for a smooth consistency. Let's make the tadka now. Add a half tablespoon mustard oil on a hot pan. Add cumin seeds and a pinch of hing to avoid bloating and gas. Now add chopped onion and green chili. Also add 5 to 6 curry leaves. Cook them until golden brown. We will keep the spices minimum as we are making summer special dal. So we need only half teaspoon of red chili powder and same quantity of amchur powder. That's dry mango powder. And that's all. Our tadka is ready. Add this to your dal and give it a good mix. See the color. It's beautiful. We can add dry methi leaves. I dried a kg methi leaves in winter to be used now in summer. It enhances the taste and our digestion. Serve your dal with a spoon of ghee with rice or chapati. Now let's talk about the benefits of eating split moong dal and split masoor dal one by one. Let's take yellow moong dal first. It is a staple in many Indian households and offers numerous health benefits. Yellow moong dal is rich in essential nutrients, including protein, fiber, vitamin Bs, and minerals like iron, potassium, and magnesium. The high fiber content in moong dal helps maintain a healthy digestive system, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Being low in calories and high in protein and fiber, yellow moong dal can help in weight management by keeping you full for longer and reducing overall calorie intake. The potassium and magnesium in yellow moong dal help regulate blood pressure, while its low cholesterol content supports overall heart health. The fiber and protein in moong dal help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it a good option for people with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. Moong dal has detoxifying properties and is often recommended in Ayurvedic diets to cleanse the body and boost metabolism. Yellow moong dal contains antioxidants that help fight free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Unlike some other legumes, yellow moong dal is easy to digest and less likely to cause bloating or gas. making it suitable for people with sensitive digestive systems. Yellow moong dal cooks quickly and can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and desserts, adding nutritional value to any meal. Split Masoor Dal is another nutritious legume commonly used in Indian cuisine, and it offers a variety of health benefits. Split Masoor Dal is packed with essential nutrients including protein, fiber, iron. It is an excellent source of plant based protein, making it ideal for vegetarians and vegans. Protein is crucial for muscle repair, growth, and overall bodily functions. The high levels of potassium and magnesium help regulate blood pressure, while the fiber content helps lower cholesterol levels, contributing to a healthier heart. The dietary fiber in Masoor dal aids digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps prevent constipation. Low in calories and high in protein and fiber, split Masoor dal can help in weight management by promoting satiety and reducing overall calorie intake. The complex carbohydrates and fiber in Masoor dal help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to maintain steady energy levels. Masoor dal contains antioxidants that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall health. The vitamins and minerals in Masoor dal, especially iron and folate, are essential for a healthy immune system. Iron is crucial for the production of red blood cells and preventing anemia. The magnesium and phosphorus in Masoor dal are vital for maintaining strong bones and preventing bone related disorders. Split Masoor dal cooks quickly and easily, making it a convenient option for adding nutrition to your meals. It can be used in a variety of dishes, including soups, stews, salads, and curries. So I leave you with the benefits of these pulses. I'll see you in the next video. Include them in your diet. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Do subscribe, like, and share my channel. See you. Take care. Bye.